Previously on The Bartender.
You are the CEO of your land scamming ring.
I am a proud spiritual healer.
What happened?
Fear man.
So no one, if you hold him.
Yeah. I want to the woman them will come up here and say them want to tie them man.
Them an idiot.
After we complete every transaction, we will change chip. Change chip? Why? Because you know some people stay already. They don't call you for everything.
It looks like time for me to get a full-time job.
Okay. So, what kind of qualifications you have?
We do a course and get a marketing degree, so I just go back to do that.
So when you gonna let me at daytime and me out this up on the front, you know what can happen to me?
5, you have alright, yeah? I'm here for work. Yeah? Allow me, I'm a deal with this thing, yeah? How it's supposed to deal with.
Sir, only me.
Old enough. I'm sure I'll be seeing you again.
Mr. DB, sir! Charmaine reporting for DJ Work.
Charmaine, give me a check there.
Mr. DB, sir, that not sound right. For check your Miss Goody there.
Charmaine, the microphone.
Oh, this! Mr. DB, sir, it's sanitized.
Yes, Charmaine. Charmaine, what do you do? You have to use the other headset.
Oh, that one here.
So alright, Charmaine, me have a bad piece of rhythm. I'm going to drop something mad on it like what you give me the other day, right?
Alright, Mr. DB, sir.
Alright, ready.
Yeah, I'm ready. Yeah, I'm ready. Yeah, huh? 2 + 2 = 4. 3 + 3 = 6. 4 + 4 = 8. 5 + 5 = 10. Say it, yeah.
When them says a trip to the island, we still go out. And by the time you come in.
Good night, 5.
What's a good about the night? You don't see my miss call them?
I tell us when I'm up on the road, I have a 3 pre my phone. I can't deal with distraction, you know.
Distraction? So me a distraction, Winston? For the things them in the shop, but don't know the price. So that's why I call you.
When you don't know, you just don't know. You call me and you get me, just make it stay. You get me?
You know what I like? The behavior. You see, if I did like one time when I have my place, but just pack up and go in my yard and give you space. But to make me give up my place, there with you, and at this I have to deal with you.
You know, so I'm not in the mood for this in the evening.
I ask you something. Another black t-shirt you alone and leave out in. Or you come back in a red hoodie.
What kind of hoodie you top? Oh, I'm tier 5.
Winston, where you get red pullover from?
I buy it.
You buy it.
I buy it.
You buy it. And you wash it at the door, the fabric softener, and it dry, and you put it on before you come
So
down.
hold on. It's a private investigator me there with. Or one judge.
You can tell the baby mother to change her body splash now, yeah?
Go in the living room, go lay down here.
Charmaine, yeah, you know another song.
What you mean, Mr. Davy, sir? I'm in them Carlton's factory. Run him again for me. Alright. Hear me now. Kingston, St. Andrew, and over Montego Bay. Give it again.
Alright, Charmaine. You what you gonna do for me? You gonna double them up for me, eh?
Alright, Mr. Davy, sir. Alright. Me ready now? Me ready. Kingston, St. Andrew, Montego Bay.
Jesus. Charmaine. You don't know nothing else.
Alright, Mr. DB, you like that one, yeah? Me I give you a different style. America, England, Canada, Africa.
Something alright? Something alright, yeah.
Yes, your marketing plans that we had discussed a little bit earlier today. Your marketing plans? A little bit earlier. Christmas? Why are you not talking to me?
I'm sorry. Remember we have a meeting and you have interviews today, and
have a lovely day.
Yes, so remember you have the interview and you need to send the book into your mother.
Okay.
And you need to send the dog to the vet because she's not
Alright.
really well.
Stop. Who do we have for interviews today?
Yes, so we're meeting with Chanel Brookwood, Lisa Bennett, Tonya Brown, and Shelly and McCleary.
So where are their resumes? Come on.
I sent them to you by email.
Oh, you did?
It's in the email, yes.
No. Crazy. Her. I like her.
Who? May I see?
Sure. Yes. Her. What?
Are you sure she is good to work? I mean, look at her hair, like, boss.
I'm sure she'll make a great assistant.
Yeah, but she's
You gotta get her please.
I
We don't
know,
have all
assistant.
day. We don't have all day. You're wasting. You're wasting time.
Sure,
Thank
we
you.
can't
Your
just
turn.
consider, like, she would like to see you now. Hold on. A word of advice from one female to the next. That hairstyle is not appropriate for an interview. Here she is, miss.
Hi. What's your name?
Chanel, Brookwood.
Okay, nice. May I have a seat, please?
Thank you.
I just checked if you wanted more coffee.
I'm fine. You're still there. Hi, my apologies about that. How are you doing today?
I'm awesome. I mean, it's such a pleasure, and thank you so much for meeting me today.
Okay, great. All right, so Ms. Brookwood, I see here that you have a marketing degree.
Well, I don't have a marketing degree per se, but I did do a course in marketing, so I know that's where my strength lies.
So what do you think you can bring here to the table at Benaco?
Well, I am very hardworking. I have great communication skills. I am work-oriented.
Let me stop you right there. I'm a very direct person. Alright, so here at Benaco we have 3 different pillars that we focus on. Digital media, and of course that entails the social media aspect of it, alright? Then we have the multimedia, which entails the photography, etc. And of course for our marketing consultancy area, we have brand campaigning, PR elements, and to be very frank, our business is really geared towards the entertainment industry. Alright, so tell me, where do you think you fit in here at Benaco?
So I am more on the entertainment side because I'm always on my phone. I'm very intact with social media. So I think the primary pillar will be what I'm best efficient in. But for the secondary pillar, I think I don't know anything about it, but I will definitely be very humble in learning them.
Well, Ms. Brookwood, I do love your energy and I do love your overall look. So what I'll do, I'll have Cody reach out to you when we get to the next section of the interview, alright? So do have yourself a lovely day and thank you for coming to the interview.
And thank you so much for having me. And if I'm chosen, you will not be disappointed.
Alright, no problem.
So you have a great day as well.
You too, my darling. Bye. Can you just please call Cody on your way in? Thanks.
Okay.
Thanks.
Helper, you call them. Hi, put me up.
Is you me want to know, miss?
Daddy?
Me's your father. And as long as you're alive, me have to worry about you and want to know if you're alright.
Yes, Daddy, but sometimes I have to anger my problems on my own.
But me not tap you for handle your problem. For your big people. But when the period them talk to me and tell me say something not right with you, you know say me go call and check up on you. So the least you can do, ma, is answer your phone when me call. And say, Daddy, I'm okay.
Well, that's not true. I promise to keep in touch more often.
Make sure, for me no stranger. Me's your pooper. I remember say it's only one you got.
Yes, Daddy.
I'll let you find uncles here. Denise, this boy, him taking care of you?
Yes, Daddy. And it's not a boy, it's a man.
So why am I getting them vision there of him having somebody else in his life? And every time I see you in that vision, it is division. Beer sadness.
You see why I don't want to say nothing to you?
Alright. Let me leave it alone. But just make sure. Be careful.
Don't worry about me. I'm always careful.
Don't shout at me.
Daddy, I'm not shout. Plus, you know I have you all the time to protect me.
I'm glad you know. But what I'm seeing, you know, is that this boy messing himself. And me. Now I'm making walk and bray like a donkey.
Daddy. Nobody make nobody bray like a donkey. Please, me I beg you.
So, tell me something. You know cook?
But I never know say I come down here for cook.
You live with man. You're supposed to cook. You think you're there for your pretty look? And live a restaurant and do out man bank book?
Five. Are your father that? So you're not going to introduce me? Daddy, this is my good friend Goody. Goody, my father. Nice to meet you, mister.
No bother with the mister. Them call me Shepherd. But you, call me Duffy.
Alright. Duffy.
Goody. Miss Goody. Woman, you in a class. Goody. Come, wind up for your hot color bun dog. Why must I be saying these things? That song, I need to get that song out of my head. That's a wrong song. So you is Goody, who have dog bed. And you is the Goody where them a try to tie the dog bed. And them want to get rid of you. They have the man for themselves.
Daddy!
Miss Goody. Careful. Don't get mixed up in the wrong crowd. If you know the right thing, then do the right thing. Let this be a warning. I can't. Denise! Come look for your brother, Mama.
Yes, Daddy.
I say, I'm a calm, I'm going to come. I'm not calm, you're going. You're going.
Slimmas.
What you want, sir? Brown in the day here.
You may come too.
Me? What could have caused that?
Look, we know we get off on the wrong foot the last time we met.
Met? Is that what they do? Sir, me never met you, so you met me.
Look, it's a peace visit this, alright? So, I know you're not going to invite me inside. So let's come sit in the car for a few minutes so we can reason.
Reason? I won't for reasonable.
I know you're a direct person. So just tell me bluntly, what the issue you have with me?
Sir, I'm not for going in a vehicle for tell you that. I can't just tell her right to say 5 words. Me? No. Like. You.
Well, that is 4, but who is counting?
Yeah, 4 I want more.
You don't even know me. Look, 3 minutes of your time. That's all I'm asking for.
I'll hurry me a place to go. Let me get straight to your point. I think you're too old for my sister. And I think you're married and I tell her. Or you tell her and she go like say she no business. But either way, you're too old for my sister.
I understand say you're protective of your sister. And that's admirable.
Admirable? Sir, I not look no trophy. I just do what any big well-thinking sister would do. My father run away. Then stop me go reach my mother. Like, you know, she start mad one night time. And then out of the blues, me get one phone call. Boom. You have house. So it's like the only thing that was she really left for me and my sister. So you see, and me I fear watch my sister head back. From my mother and father gone, and me I fear look out for her. So me can't just make anybody come around her and take this advantage. Because guess what? And me I go left in it. So me have to protect my sister, sir.
You know, whether or not you believe it, you know, I feel the same way you feel about your sister, the need to protect her.
Really no.
Suppose me tell you, say, never sleep with your sister yet. I know her over a year now. And every time she have a financial issue, I never each fail her out. So that for sure you say, sex is not the objective. I care about your sister. And in any case, she is 22. She's an adult. She can sleep with whoever she wants. But I rate what I do for her. As our big sister, and I protect her and take care of her. So I decided to come make peace with you. Because I want to feel comfortable if you're never alright with it.
Well, you have a point.
Browning going for an interview today, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so it's because she make an effort for going to the corporate world. I have a gift for her. So I want you give it to her. But not until she do 1 week in the job. So keep it until she do 1 week before you get her. Alright? What are you thinking, Ed?
Me dey listen for one tick sound.
Boom!
You know what? Me
somebody though. You're not so bad. So you said me forget this?
Yeah, man.
You're kind of frightened me a while ago.
Hush.
Yeah, me
All right.
you know.
Yeah, man. Take care.
Alright.
All right then.
The man, boom, suppose the man let me jump out of seat a while ago.
You know, so me I call you because I'm outside earlier and I say, oh, I'm not see you, I'm not hear from you, I never know say you still a come. Girl, my phone dead. So where you go working in the rain? I just need somewhere when we can set up money. We use the earphone or something. Oh. Alright, come work around the bar then. Alright, come. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'll be sharing my screen with you. Alright, so today we have only 1 acre of land that is located in Westmoreland. And the bidding starts at $35,000. So let me hear it. Do we have a 35? Okay, we have a 35. Do I hear 40 anywhere? Oh, Mr. Thomas says 45. Nice. Okay, can I hear a 50? Can I hear 50? Oh, Mr. Nico jumped all the way to 60. Alright, 65 anyone? 65 anywhere? Okay, there's no 65. So 60 going once, going twice. Sold to Mr. Nico for $60,000 US. Thank you guys so much for joining our live bidding today. I will contact you next week for the next available land. Alright, so Mr. Nico, I will send you the documents within the next 10 minutes. Thank you. Oh, it go. Oh, it really go. No man Goody, we never expected it to have taken. Yeah? And it was extra easy once you get used to it. Good for you too, because you know to deal with people. Like me, they would hear impatience from my voice. I mean, I drop asleep about 5 times already on the laptop. But we never know for them kind of money that can make you do. But just remember, not say nothing to nobody here. Oh, I look for customers. So we don't want nobody free way. So when they get the money, it's nobody spend it. Just live normal and don't worry yourself, girl. Knowledge starts sealed. Oh, money making for 2020. No more broccoli. Real.
Shoppy. So all you want to deal with this?
Can't deal with this. Can't deal with this.
No, Shoppy. Brother, how come the man then come for you? We have to deal with this now.
Dada, the man smart and wicked on that. The man strategic and even wicked on that, brother. The man links them tall. You see me? Someone can't make no wild move, brother.
You know my brain chip. When them this, anyone of my warrior them, you know.
Yo, no worry about that, Dada. We deal with that in time. See me? Just tell me about the apps, man. Boy, them decide to change the location.
Yeah, man. Chat to them, you know. Things seal up, you know. So you are going, you know. £100 we are moving. Drop off and collect.
So who else I road?
My virgin man, Pink Boss. I want to little soldier them on the ground.
Whoa. So Dada, we can roll.
Quick foot. Everybody can't left to get the back. Now if you have a warrior on the ground, you see me? You know the chef's got. yourself, brother. Hear me, I say, man. Not even a second more top it. But don't worry about that fact. Everything legit. A good piece of food there we are going for.
Yo, that more here now. Come, yo, I don't want to do this again, you know, brother. I really appreciate the shop thing full time, you know. You know, say you can see that.
That I respect about you, you know. You get to me, I say. But you like you have to stay in the street. You get to me, I say. You have to be in a street warrior. You hear that?
There's a time for war. And a time for peace. A time for run the street. And a time for retreat. Remember that, you know, bro.
Five. Are in this?
Yeah, him same one.
You know, say him same one attack me the same night.
Run.
Shoppy, you messing up. You messing up, you messing up, Lord. Hold on, Shoppy, you never know what's going on. Lord. You never know what's going on.
Yo, that boy involved in a going with 5 days a day, you know.
Yeah, messing up, man. Yeah, man, but here we go on, him never know. I'll fix things, you hear that? Fix things, man, him never know what's going on, man.
Yo, boss, me never know, boss. Me never know, boss.
Shoppy, done that chat to you.
You name Shoppy, sir.
You never know. You never know the link.
I just show me this and a piece of food, no boss. Never know again.
Yo.
A-L-E to the X, Alex,
When you talk to Shoppy for me, you know, cause I can't manage this. From him come back, everything just change.
Change how?
I under one whole heap of pressure. But they are cook. If I run the shop every minute, me a back and forth. Everything just left by me one. I don't have a new thing now. When him dip on the road, I call him not answer him phone.
Not understand with the attitude from where you come from.
From him come back, man, everything. And just from him come back, and it look like he might try to go back into this badness thing. And him talk to me and tell me say I'm life, he want change. And he might go right back at square one.
Talk to Shoppy about that stuff me already, you know. Five, no matter trip yourself. Just calm down. Never see if I can keep on that talk.
I know me can't manage, you know. I lock the shop. Right or no, cause we can't manage all of this.
Five. What you have to do? Talk to Shoppy.
Alright.
I'm not your superwoman. I'm not the kind of...
Hello. Do you know where the studio is?
But me not tap you from hungry your people. Really? Action.
Forget my life. Hold on. Where's that?
I must joke this. So, what a girl spiteful man? So I'm wondering about that over. Let me get straight to the point. You're too old for my sister. I'ma think you're married. You're probably not take what I go. But it worked. It did go? Yeah, right. One.
Brother, you know my brain cheap when them diss anyone of my what?